The Patriot missile system, officially known as the MIM-104 Patriot, stands as one of the most recognizable and battle-tested air and missile defense systems in the modern world. Developed during the Cold War and continuously upgraded for more than 4 decades, the Patriot represents a cornerstone of United States air defense strategy. Its name, derived from Phased Array Tracking Radar for Intercept on Target, reflects both its advanced technology and its original purpose, to protect critical assets and population centers from aerial threats. The story of the Patriot missile begins in the late 1960s, when the U.S. Army recognized the need to replace older air defense systems such as the Nike Hercules and Hawk missiles. As aircraft became faster, more maneuverable, and capable of flying at lower altitudes, existing defenses struggled to keep pace. At the same time, the emerging threat of tactical ballistic missiles demanded a new kind of defensive solution. Raytheon was tasked with developing a system that could detect, track, and intercept a wide range of airborne targets using cutting-edge radar and guidance technologies. By the early 1980s, the Patriot system entered service with the U.S. Army. Initially, it was designed primarily as an anti-aircraft weapon, capable of engaging enemy aircraft at medium to high altitudes. However, the system's true global prominence came during the 1991 Gulf War, when Patriots were deployed to defend Israel and Saudi Arabia against Iraqi Scud missile attacks. Televised footage of Patriots launching into the night sky became iconic, instantly transforming the system into a symbol of missile defense in the public imagination. At the heart of the Patriot system is its powerful phased array radar. Unlike traditional rotating radars, the Patriot radar can electronically steer its beam, allowing it to track dozens of targets simultaneously while guiding interceptors in real time. This radar performs multiple functions at once: surveillance, target detection, identification, tracking, and missile guidance. The result is a highly integrated system capable of responding to threats within seconds of detection. The Patriot missile itself has evolved through several variants over the years. Early versions, such as the PAC-1 and PAC-2, were optimized for aircraft interception and later adapted for ballistic missile defense. The PAC-2 missile uses a high-explosive fragmentation warhead that detonates near the target, destroying it through blast and shrapnel. While effective, this approach required extremely precise timing and positioning, especially against fast-moving ballistic missiles. The next major leap came with the introduction of the PAC-3 missile. Unlike its predecessors, the PAC-3 uses a hit-to-kill technology, meaning it destroys incoming threats through direct impact rather than explosive force. This method dramatically increases effectiveness against ballistic missiles by eliminating reliance on proximity detonation. The PAC-3 is smaller than earlier Patriot missiles, allowing more interceptors to be carried in each launcher, and it features its own active radar seeker for terminal guidance. A typical Patriot battery consists of several key components working together as a single network. These include the radar set, the engagement control station, power generation units, antenna mast groups, and multiple launcher stations. The engagement control station serves as the brain of the battery, where operators monitor the airspace, evaluate threats, and authorize missile launches. Although the system can operate automatically, human oversight remains a critical element, especially in complex combat environments. Mobility is another defining feature of the Patriot system. All components are truck-mounted or trailer-mounted, allowing rapid deployment and relocation. This mobility enables forces to adapt to changing battlefield conditions and protect high-value targets such as air bases, command centers, cities, and critical infrastructure. Once emplaced, a Patriot battery can be operational in a relatively short time, providing immediate defensive coverage. Over the decades, the Patriot system has undergone continuous upgrades to counter evolving threats. Modern adversaries deploy missiles that are faster, more maneuverable, and equipped with countermeasures designed to confuse radar systems. In response, Patriot radars and software have been enhanced to improve discrimination, tracking accuracy, and resistance to electronic warfare. Integration with other air and missile defense systems has also become a priority, enabling Patriot batteries to share data with allied sensors and interceptors. The Patriot missile system is not only a key asset for the United States but also a major component of global defense cooperation. Numerous allied nations operate Patriots, including Germany, Japan, South Korea, Saudi Arabia, Poland, and several NATO members. This widespread adoption reflects both the system's proven effectiveness and its interoperability with U.S. and allied forces. Joint training exercises and shared upgrades further strengthen collective defense capabilities. In real-world combat, the Patriot system has been used in multiple conflicts beyond the Gulf War. It has played roles in defending against missile and drone attacks in the Middle East, where threats are often launched with little warning. While no defense system is perfect, continuous improvements and operational experience have increased the Patriot's success rate and reliability over time. Each engagement provides valuable data that feeds back into system refinement. Critics have occasionally questioned the Patriot's performance, particularly during its earliest combat deployments. However, missile defense is an extraordinarily complex challenge, involving split-second decisions and extreme physics. Over time, testing, upgrades, and new interceptor designs have addressed many early limitations. Today's Patriot configurations are far more capable than those of the early 1990s, reflecting decades of technological progress. One of the most important roles of the Patriot system is deterrence. By providing credible defense against missile attacks, it raises the cost and uncertainty for any potential aggressor. This defensive capability can influence strategic calculations, reducing the likelihood that adversaries will attempt coercion through missile threats. In this sense, the Patriot missile is not just a weapon, but a stabilizing factor in regional and global security. The human element behind the Patriot system is equally significant. Operating a Patriot battery requires highly trained personnel who must master radar operations, threat analysis, and engagement procedures. Crews undergo extensive training and simulations to prepare for real-world scenarios. Their ability to perform under pressure can mean the difference between interception and impact, especially when defending populated areas. Looking toward the future, the Patriot missile system continues to evolve. New radar technologies, such as gallium nitride-based sensors, promise greater range, sensitivity, and reliability. Enhanced command and control software aims to improve integration with next-generation systems like TOD and other layered missile defenses. These developments ensure that Patriot remains relevant in an era of hypersonic weapons and increasingly complex threat environments. Despite the emergence of newer systems, the Patriot missile remains a backbone of air and missile defense for the United States and its allies. Its adaptability, proven combat record, and continuous modernization make it one of the most enduring military systems of the modern age. From its Cold War origins to its present-day role in defending against ballistic missiles, aircraft, and emerging aerial threats, the Patriot has repeatedly demonstrated its value. In the end, the Patriot missile system represents more than just advanced hardware. It embodies decades of engineering innovation, operational learning, and international cooperation. As threats continue to evolve, so too will the Patriot, standing watch as a silent guardian against dangers from the sky. Whether deployed in defense of cities, troops, or strategic assets, the MIM-104 Patriot remains a powerful symbol of modern air and missile defense in the United States and beyond.